Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electric pressure washers and breaking down the top 5 best electric pressure washers in 2024. Whether you're tackling tough grime on your driveway or freshening up your patio, these machines will have you covered. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. The Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful and efficient tool for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks. Ideal for homeowners, this electric pressure washer delivers up to 3000 PSI, making it perfect for removing dirt, grime, and stains from driveways, patios, decks, and vehicles. Its electric motor is both eco-friendly and quiet, eliminating the need for gas while providing consistent power. Equipped with a range of nozzles, the Greenworks 3000 PSI allows users to customize their cleaning experience for different surfaces. The onboard detergent tank makes applying soap simple, while its 35-foot power cord and 25-foot pressure hose provide excellent reach. What sets the Greenworks model apart is its combination of power and convenience. The push-button start, compact design, and built-in storage for accessories make it easy to use and transport. Additionally, the Total Stop System, TSS, feature automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released, extending the life of the motor and conserving energy. Overall, the Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is a top choice for those seeking a high-performance, low-maintenance solution for outdoor cleaning. It's reliable, durable, and designed to make cleaning faster and easier. Number 2. The Westinghouse 3200 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning machine designed to handle the toughest outdoor tasks. With a maximum pressure of 3200 PSI and a water flow rate of 2.5 GPM, this pressure washer excels at removing dirt, grime, mold, and mildew from various surfaces like decks, driveways, siding, and vehicles. What makes the Westinghouse 3200 PSI stand out is its robust electric motor, which provides reliable and eco-friendly performance without the need for gas or oil. The machine comes with 5 quick connect nozzles that allow users to adjust the pressure based on the cleaning job at hand, from a gentle rinse to a more focused jet for deep cleaning. It also features a built-in detergent tank for easy application of cleaning solutions. The long 35-foot power cord and 25-foot pressure hose give you plenty of reach, allowing for greater flexibility when cleaning larger areas. Additionally, the pressure washer is equipped with a Total Stop System, TSS, that automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, saving energy and prolonging the motor's life. Overall, the Westinghouse 3200 PSI electric pressure washer is a reliable and user-friendly option for homeowners looking for a powerful and efficient cleaning tool. Number 3. The DeWalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer is a high-quality cleaning tool designed for homeowners and professionals alike. With a pressure rating of 2400 PSI and a flow rate of 1.1 GPM, this pressure washer is perfect for tackling moderate to heavy-duty cleaning jobs such as washing vehicles, driveways, decks, and outdoor furniture. Powered by a durable electric motor, the DeWalt 2400 PSI offers consistent, reliable performance without the hassle of gas or oil. Its compact design and lightweight frame make it easy to transport and store, while its 35-foot power cord and 25-foot pressure hose provide ample reach for cleaning large areas. The machine also includes 4 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to adjust the pressure to suit different surfaces. One of the standout features of this model is its Total Stop System, TSS, which automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, improving energy efficiency and extending the lifespan of the washer. The onboard detergent tank simplifies the application of cleaning solutions, making it more convenient to tackle tough stains. In summary, the DeWalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer combines power, ease of use, and durability, making it a top choice for effective outdoor cleaning. Number 4. The DeWalt 2100 PSI electric pressure washer is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution, ideal for light to medium-duty outdoor tasks. With a pressure output of 2,100 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 GPM, This pressure washer effectively tackles dirt, grime, and mildew on surfaces such as patios, decks, vehicles, and outdoor furniture. Designed for ease of use, the DeWalt 2100 PSI features an electric motor, eliminating the need for gas and oil while providing consistent power. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to move around, and the 25-foot high-pressure hose offers a good reach, perfect for cleaning larger areas without constantly repositioning the unit. The pressure washer includes 3 quick-connect nozzles, allowing users to switch between different spray patterns to match the cleaning task. Its onboard detergent tank makes it simple to apply soap for more effective stain removal. Additionally, the Total Stop System, TSS, conserves energy by automatically shutting off the motor when the trigger is not in use, prolonging the machine's lifespan. The DeWalt 2100 PSI electric pressure washer is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, easy-to-use, and efficient pressure washer for everyday outdoor cleaning projects. Number 5. The Sunjoe 2030 PSI electric pressure washer is a versatile and affordable solution for light to medium-duty cleaning tasks. With a maximum pressure of 2030 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 GPM, this pressure washer is perfect for tackling jobs like cleaning driveways, patios, cars, and outdoor furniture. Powered by a 14.5 amp electric motor, the Sunjoe 2030 PSI delivers consistent performance without the hassle of gas or oil. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store, while the 20-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord give you plenty of reach for cleaning large areas. The washer comes with 5 quick-connect spray nozzles, ranging from a gentle 0 degrees to a powerful 40 degrees spray, allowing you to customize the pressure for different surfaces. Additionally, it features a dual detergent tank system, enabling users to carry and switch between 2 different cleaning solutions seamlessly. The Total Stop System, TSS, is another highlight, automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is released, conserving energy and extending the machine's lifespan. Overall, the Sunjoe 2030 PSI electric pressure washer is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly option for homeowners looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance cleaning tool.